Hi, I'm Bea, and we will be asking Lasallians about their opinions and thoughts on current student leaders. So I'm here with...
Aiken po.
I'm Hermione Alcantara. Lana.
Computer Engineering, CP31.
From Political Science. Com31. For the current set of leaders, I like na siguro compared to the previous one, may initiative naman sila kahit papano. And syempre, I hope na ma-retain yun. Ang gusto ko lang naman makita for the next set is siguro more with the students, more engagement. Ito, of course, student leaders pa rin sila, So I hope na may more engaged with the students, hindi lang sila lang yung nakikidiscuss with the higher ups yun.
Alam ko nasa transitioning period sila, di ba? From all the controversies and the past cases na nangyari sa kanila. May mga na-impeach, may mga nag-resign, so hindi pa ako familiar. But I'm looking forward on how they are going to defend the voices of the students. Kasi, di ba yung nangyari ngayon? Nanghingi sila ng opinion sa mga students na in favor ba kayo sa 75% na on-site, tapos 25% na asynchronous. So majority ng mga students doon, as far as I know, is that hindi sila favor, dapat 50-50 pa rin. Pero walang nangyari. So yun yung nilook forward ko, na sana, paano mas magiging bridge yung USG para mas mapakinggan yung voices ng students.
Siyempre, yung pinaka-pressing issue ngayon is yung back na tayo sa full F2F. I mean, okay naman siya for me, pero yung biglaang implementation lang kasi medyo rattling siya for students na walang masyadong announcement beforehand na okay, babalik na tayo sa full face-to-face.
So actually, same with my first question, na paano ba tayo madedepensahan ng USG or ng student government when it comes to that concerns din. Tulad niyan, isa sa mga questions ko din is yung sa library. Ang dami ko sanang gustong hiramin na books, pero most of them, hindi na siya, sobrang outdated na niya. Malaki naman ang tuition na binabayaran natin. Kailan ba nila ma-update yun? Even yung mga facilities. Maganda yung facilities na nila sa Dasma, okay? But I think medyo nagiging luma na siya. Grabe yung SEYA, tatawa sa JFH. Oh my gosh. So elevator sila, sabi ko sana meron din dito. Exercise everyday eh.
Siguro yung natin, physically yung travel natin dito, medyo mahirap mag-travel from gate 3 to gate 1, lalo na kapag umaga kasi medyo rare magkaroon ng ikot Lasal. And siguro as a student leader, siguro konting improvement pa sa student activity portal. I would like to say na wag sana kayo ma-pressure kapag binigay sa inyo yung role na ito. Sana maging open-minded kayo and sana ito very crucial to, maging open kayo for criticism. Yun lang.
I just hope you become more student-centric. Of course, students din kayo as well. You know what we experience, what we collectively experience, and I just hope na, alam mo yun, coming from a student's perspective din yung leadership.
The core of your leadership should be from your heart, should come from your heart. Number 1, you should have empathy, accountability, and courage na para pakinggan palagi kung ano yung concerns ng mga students. Always be the bridge, always be the umbrella for the students.